Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A26 5G phone. We start with the fact that the phone must be turned off. If it is on, you need to turn it off. We cannot clean the phone while it is on, we could damage it. For cleaning we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt and then evaporates, leaving no trace behind. A brush with flexible bristles will also be useful. The bristles should be soft to medium. The bristles should be flexible, soft or medium hard, because if they are hard they will scratch your phone, something around 2 to 3 centimeters long, so that it's long enough to reach the bottom of the port and clean it out without any issues. A small piece of plastic like this will also come in handy. It's just important that it's plastic, not metal, which we'll use at the very end to check the sides of the port to see if any dust has settled there, and simply to get that dust out if it has accumulated. You can buy a kit like this in a package on Amazon or Allegro, and if you don't have one, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, because as I mentioned earlier, if they are hard, they will scratch your phone, scratch the frame, and scratch the screen, which would be completely unnecessary. So with the phone turned off just like I have it, we dampen the toothbrush thoroughly with alcohol so that it's wet. Once it's dampened, we take the phone in our hand. Here we have the port. We insert the toothbrush on one side of the port and slide it all the way to the other side to clean one part of the port. We perform about 10 to 15 such movements. So that part of the port is already cleaned. Next we insert the toothbrush from the other side of the port and perform the exact same movements in the other direction, also 10 to 15 movements in one direction, so that the second part of the port is cleaned. We never make back and forth movements because then the dirt would just move around inside the port instead of coming out. It is only after several movements in one direction that the dust actually comes out of the port. If you find that the port is particularly dirty, it is a very good idea to repeat these gentle movements 2 or 3 times in each direction, just to ensure that the port is absolutely and perfectly cleaned. If you notice that the alcohol is drying out quickly because the environment is warm, simply dampen your brush a little more often and continue with the cleaning process until you are satisfied. After cleaning, we will take this little plastic piece. We printed it ourselves on a 3D printer, but you can also buy one on Allegro. We insert it into the port, and now we carefully slide it all the way to the end with the tip facing forward, and then we gently try to pull it back out to see if any debris collects on the tip. Now go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side of the port, and then finally repeat that same process in the other direction to ensure it is completely clean. Then we can be sure that the entire port is cleaned out. After all that, we leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates, and after that time we can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.